thought it'd be interesting to have a look at this cabinet. It's French, it's called Boulle, Boulle work, which is tortoise shell and brass inlaid in it. And it's interesting to remark that nothing like this will ever be made again. When you think of all the crafts people that were involved in its original manufacture, and the skills that have now long gone. The gold you can see is called ormolu, or fire gilding, and it is gold which is placed onto brass castings as an amalgam with mercury, and then it gets put into a furnace, and the mercury is driven off, and the gold remains in the surface, on the surface, and you get that really nice dusty look, which is so good. But if you think of the original mouldings, these were probably inversely carved in something like boxwood, and then wax would be pushed into them, making a wax model, which could then be used and cast. I'll just take you around to the side here. You can see these mouldings here. There's so much detail in this, it's actually unbelievable. I'll take you just a little bit closer, just have a look at this. Is the left-hand door. You can see there's a lady there with a bow, she's going hunting. And then as we move over to the right-hand door, there's deer. And if you look carefully at all of the little emblems, you'll see sort of like a squirrely thing, and what looks a bit like a bird. And there's so much detail that's in it. Now this is called, it's tortoise shell, which actually is a misnomer. It is actually turtle shell, and it's just on the surface. And underneath the turtle shell is a colour, and in this case it is a little bit sort of kind of reddy colour, but the turtle shell is sort of translucent and you can see the colour showing through. But also have a look at the engraving. Isn't that absolutely amazing? Each one of those things has been engraved, and if we go up to the top here, we've got those two, and there's even a little face inside there. Isn't that magic? And I'll go down this to the top. This is a lady's desk, and in French it's called Joy of the Day. This desk, that's the name of the desk, but in French. And here we have the front. Absolutely amazing craftsmanship. Even at the side there, absolutely amazing. Just take you over again just to have a look at the detail on this. Very, very fine detail. You can see here this has been silver soldered, and then it will have been, as I said before, coated in an amalgam of gold and mercury, and the mercury would then, if it's brushed onto brass, it would form an amalgam with the brass, and then it would be put in the fire and the mercury driven off. But another interesting thing is you can see here how these are burnished, and it gives a really nice three-dimensional look to it. I hope you found that interesting. It's an amazing project. If you're interested in aspects of traditional restoration and conservation, please visit our website at www.arc-services.com.au for downloadable how-to videos and accompanying ebooks.